G'day! Just got a quick video on how to make an on-screen button on your iPad/iPhone. Let's say your iPad button down here has failed. What we can easily do is go into settings. We can go into accessibility. And then we want to go into touch. What I normally see is people tend to turn this on, turn on assistive touch. And then when they want to press the home button, they've now got this, but they press it once and it brings up a menu. That is not overly convenient. If we go to customize top level, remove all the icons, go gestures, scroll down and go home. And then from there, press that, away we go. You still have to basically wake it up with the power button up the top here, but then we can just tap that once and that's home. So that should make replacing the failed home button a lot easier rather than having to press that twice. Hope that helps and see you later. Bye.